Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Nokia. Firstly, we need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. When you're done, set up an hour and save it by tapping on OK. Then choose repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, click OK and tap on default. Over here you can select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also though choose add new, pick one of these sources and select music from your device by tapping on one of the files and going back. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I will pick one of those, like timer, and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to manage all alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!